Hello guys, here I am with another video on how to attempt your questions in your real test exam. So I discussed that you need to read questions at least 3 times, you need to read choices at least 3 times. Do not go for any very new word which you have never ever read in your prep books, in your course book, but they sound or look very fancy. Don't fall for that. Ignore them. Um, Always be patient before selecting. Always when you select, check you are selecting the same one you think correct. Sometimes it happens that you are reading answer A but selecting answer B by mistake, so you have to be careful for that. Now you will finish your 80 questions generally in 60 minutes. That's the general time frame. I'm saying that it's mostly 50 to 70 minutes. Now after finishing it, go back, check all your flag questions. Why to check the flag questions? These are those questions which you attempt in your first go, but you were not sure you were right or not, right? Because you have attempted your all national 80 questions, you know that now you are in less stress. You have attempted 80 question already. Now you have whatever time left that you can use to recheck and reattempt if you think you are not sure somewhere. So now give time to those questions which you have flagged, you are not sure, or you have simply missed it. There is no negative marking, so you do not have to leave anything blank. You have to attempt something, right? So go for those questions which you are not sure, reread the questions, try to drop those choices which look similar, try to drop those choices which are totally new, which you have never heard in your preparation time, which you have never read anywhere, and then go for those which are left over. In math questions, around like you will have 5 to 8, maximum 8 questions you may have the math questions, but mostly like 5 to 8 you have over there. In math questions, I personally feel they are easy. All you have to do is just know the step and the sequence of t, how to use the t over there. So take your time, try to know the steps, that what two things are given, what third thing you have to find out. So you should know the steps. What first thing you have to find out, what would be the second thing, then third thing. Try avoiding those numbers in your choices which are, take for example, in your one question you need to have 4 steps. After fourth step you will find the answer, but there are step 1, step 2, step 3. So whatever the result of step 1, step 2, step 3, sometimes they also give that in your choices. So by mistake it happens that you choose those answers which are the answer of step 3, but your one more step is remain over there. So try to understand in your math question that what steps are remain over there. So if one question has got the 4 steps, after all the 4 steps, then go for your answer. Sometimes your answers may be in the points like 4530.75, but in your choices you will not have the 0.75, so you need to go for the rounded number. I guess that is enough for this one video. We'll go for the more techniques in the next one. Thank you. You have a blessed day.